we burning it up. Step in the building, we turning it up. Talking that shit, but they never admit when I sit to the mic, I be murdering it and we living real good. Mainstream.
Alright, so what's up guys, it's your boy Jellyfish Miller here, back at it with another video. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a funny voice changer. So basically, it's going to sound like a fish. If you guys know the YouTuber Tiko, T-I-K-O, not the phase one, not the one in phase, but the other one who does like all these memes with the fish voice changer. You can use you can get his voice changer, you can get like a man voice changer, a woman voice changer, a young voice changer, an old voice changer. No limits, guys. It's totally free. It's free, easy to use. I'm just gonna help you guys set it up and because the app is, I must say, kind of hard to do, hard to set up. It's not like a normal app because they don't build it for looks. They actually build it for use. So I don't know if that makes sense or not. But by the way, my font's gonna be really big so that you guys can see it properly. So you wanna have your Google open, and what you wanna do is you just wanna play. You wanna type in clownfish. Alright, so now it's going to show a clownfish, but you don't want a clownfish. Put that right here. Okay, there you have it, clownfish. So now what you want to do is you want to see clownfish translator.com, clownfish voice changer for Skype. Don't worry, it says Skype, but you can use it for anything. If it doesn't show, then just type in clownfish voice changer. So just click on this, click on download. It should have that logo, by the way. So you're probably on a 64-bit PC, but you don't want to download 64-bit, you want to do this one, 64-bit, 32-bit VST. Just click on download, and you just want to minimize that. So you just want to put it up here, and yeah, you can exit that out. So it should have the administrator shield on it. So you just want to double click on it. Right click and click run as administrator, click yes, click next, and then once you click install, it should start doing all these random stuff in command prompt, which will be like restarting all your playback and recording devices. It's not gonna ruin your mic or anything. Your mic will still sound the same, it still will have your voice. You can turn it off and on when you want, so it'll take a second. So yeah, just let it do it. It's not a virus or anything, just trust me guys, trust right here. And yeah, go ahead and install. Yo, welcome back guys. So basically, I uninstalled it. So basically, it should have the one with the shield. You want to delete that one because it should have made a duplicate with the shield, without the shield I meant. So yeah, it should have made a duplicate without the shield. So what you want to do, you want to take the one without the shield, just drag it into your taskbar. So as you can see, it's right here. So just click on it, and you want to make sure it says turn on. If it says turn off, then you just want to click on turn off because you want to set up everything before you actually turn it on. So I encourage you guys, if you want, you can do hear microphone, but I suggest not because for me who records, I record, so when I record, it's gonna echo and show two things. Even though I'm on headphones, it will, because it comes out as audio output. So for me, a screen recorder, it won't work. I highly encourage you guys, when you're done with this, you want to get on a Discord call with the bot or somebody and ask them if it echoes when you have your microphone on. If it does echo, I encourage you guys to turn that off, your microphone off. But you can have, your microphone, basically, it also makes you stutter a little bit, because it kind of throws you off because of the delay. So, you want to turn it off. And yeah, so basically, that's how it's gonna work. You want to have your microphone off. You can try having it on, once you start. The first minute starting, you want to have it. You can try having it on to just hear what you sound like. So I'm just gonna, yeah. So basically, yeah. So what you first want to do is you want to hover over setup and click on system integration. Now you want to make sure on GFX or wherever you were on during installation. You're probably on GFX. So when it says install remove voice changer, it shows my headset, my camera, my microphone. All these have actually mics that can go in it. So I have a snowball mic, so it's not actually my headphones. So the one that says remove on it, that's the one that you're probably using right now, that you are using right now. So you just want to click remove on the one that you're using right now. still sound the same. So click close, and then click on it again, and then go click on set voice changer. So I'm actually gonna, so basically, you actually do want to have custom pitch. You want to make it at 4, basically, or like you're hearing my voice right now. This is how it works for me. Like, let me turn it on right now.
Alright, so for me, like 4 works because of my pitch of voice. So if you hear my voice before I turn this voice on, if your voice pitch is higher, then you can make the pitch a little lower. If your voice pitch is lower, then you can make it a little higher. Yeah, so right now you can probably hear the fishy voice. Let me just turn on your microphone to make sure. Yeah, so you can hear it. It was echoing for that moment because I just turned it on. So you could do lots of things, like you could do
male. As you can see, I sound like a man. I sound like darker, and I can make it even lower. I can make the pitch even lower, so it sound more like a man.
female pitch, which my personally sounds like the custom pitch, which is 4. So this is a fishy voice, just like Tiko.
You can do the robot, you can do the baby, phone.
Yes, that was a video. So basically what you also want to do, make sure to do, is you want to make sure to turn it on every time you like restart your computer. Make sure it's on. Yes, so that was a video, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can stay updated when all my videos come out. And yeah, bye bye, peace out.